Moscow region, May 2026. As the first International Security Forum unfolds from May 26 to 29 in the Moscow region, Rosoboronexport, part of Russia's Rostec State Corporation, has introduced the latest version of its compact Garmin radar family, the Garmon-ME. Developed by the Almaz anti-air defense concern, this upgraded system represents a significant step forward in portable radar technology, offering enhanced capabilities that address the evolving challenges of today's conflicts. The standout improvement in the Garmon-ME is its detection range against airborne targets, now extended to an impressive 60 kilometers. To understand the progress, compare it with earlier models. The original Garmin, often referred to as Garmin or 1L122 series, could detect targets up to about 40 kilometers. A previous upgrade, the Garmon-M, reached 45 kilometers. The new Garmon-ME thus delivers a 50% increase over the baseline model and a solid 33% boost compared to the Garmon-M. This extended reach allows operators to monitor larger areas and respond earlier to incoming threats. Reliable, portable, and easy to deploy. One of the reasons the Garmin family has earned a strong reputation is its practicality. The Garmon-ME keeps all the best features of its predecessors while adding new power. It remains compact and highly portable. The entire station can be disassembled into manageable parts in just a few minutes. Small crews can carry the components by hand or transport them using light vehicles, making it ideal for difficult terrains like mountains, forests, or marshy wetlands where bigger, heavier radars simply cannot go. This portability is especially valuable for rapid deployment. The radar can protect field airfields, temporary bases, or forward positions. It can also be mounted on various mobile chassis, such as trucks or armored vehicles, as long as they have sufficient load capacity. This flexibility means military units can quickly set up air defense coverage wherever it is needed, without waiting for complex infrastructure. In an era of fast-moving operations, being able to move and install radar systems quickly can make the difference between mission success and vulnerability. Dual purpose. Air defense meets counter-battery warfare. Perhaps the most exciting new feature of the Garmon-ME is its ability to operate in counter-battery mode. Originally designed primarily for air defense, detecting aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, and especially unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs or drones, the system can now also track artillery fire. In counter-battery mode, the radar detects incoming shells or mortar rounds by following their trajectories. It can then calculate the exact location of the enemy artillery or mortar positions. This data can be quickly passed to friendly artillery or strike units for a rapid response. This multi-role capability turns a single compact radar into a powerful reconnaissance tool. It no longer serves only as an early warning system for the skies but also as a key asset in the ground fight against enemy artillery. Why this matters in modern conflicts. Often work together. Cheap drones provide reconnaissance, spot targets, and sometimes carry out strikes, while artillery delivers heavy firepower. Traditional air defense radars might focus only on the sky, while separate counter-battery systems handle ground threats. A system like the Garmon-ME that can do both offers clear advantages: fewer pieces of equipment to transport and maintain, simplified logistics, and faster coordination between air and ground forces. The radar is particularly well suited for detecting small, hard-to-see targets like UAVs, which have become a dominant feature of contemporary warfare. Its ability to operate effectively even in environments with electronic jamming, ECM, adds another layer of reliability. Built for real-world conditions. According to information from the exhibition, the Garmon-ME is designed for practical use at field aerodromes, temporary airfields, and by air defense units. It maintains the family's reputation for being low maintenance and robust. Operators appreciate systems that work reliably in harsh field conditions without constant technical support. This focus on usability is typical of Russian defense equipment aimed at export markets. Many countries need affordable, dependable solutions that do not require highly specialized infrastructure or large teams to operate.
Даже можно сказать, без погрешности. В принципе, да, тут такая все вплоть, если в дальнейшем мы...
The Garmon-ME is not appearing alone at the forum. Rosober-One Export is presenting it alongside other new and proven systems, including anti-drone solutions like the Silik Mobile CUAS, counter-unmanned aerial system, the Citadel anti-aircraft artillery system, and various armored vehicles. This reflects Russia's emphasis on integrated solutions that combine detection, jamming, and kinetic interception of aerial threats. The introduction of the Garmon-ME comes at a time when air and artillery threats are more intertwined than ever. Drones have lowered the cost of persistent surveillance and strikes, while artillery remains a decisive factor on the battlefield. Systems that can address multiple threat types in one package are likely to attract strong interest from militaries around the world. For potential customers, the Garmon-ME offers an attractive combination: significantly improved performance, proven portability, and new multi-mission flexibility, all in a compact, user-friendly package. As the International Security Forum continues through May 29, 2026, defense experts and international delegations have the opportunity to see the Garmon-ME up close. Its debut highlights ongoing innovation in Russian radar technology and underscores the growing importance of adaptable, multi-role systems in 21st century security. Whether protecting airfields from drone swarms, safeguarding ground troops from artillery barrages, or providing early warning in contested environments, the Garmon-ME appears ready to meet the demands of modern and future conflicts.